Hi, my name is Brett Madsen, and this is my presentation on decision support systems. First and foremost, I would like to start off with giving a little background information on decision support systems. And decision support systems are programs that analyze business data and present it so that users can make business decisions more easily. A lot of the world contains complex situations, problems that humans are not able to solve. So these computers assist us in making those tough decisions. They differ from ordinary operations application, in which the primary function is to collect data. Like previously stated, they assist us in making these decisions so that I guess we don't have to overthink for ourselves. Additionally, decision support systems allow for decision making, timely problem solving, planning, and even management. This was my first frustration with the South Dakota University's registration online. Personally, when I was registering for my classes, I had some problems with registration because I didn't have the prerequisites for the class. And as you can see here, this is kind of where the error pops up on the right hand side, and if you can look to your far right and see the number 1 with the orange block, you have to click on that to see the error. I thought that was a little bit tough to find, and I feel like there should be more of a, I guess, bigger picture when it comes to seeing the error, and it'll be a little bit more easy to find. Here's my solution. When you register for classes, this is the what is brought up, and I feel that the error should be somewhere over here in red on the right hand side, specific to the class, just because in the other format, it doesn't necessarily tell the type. You have to, it's kind of in parentheses and kind of hidden. In this way, one will be able to see the error more clearly and I guess figure out the problem of why this is happening. This is my second frustration. Right here you can see that these are the classes that I have taken, and it has no date or term in which I have taken it. So for someone that is in grad school or anything like that where they have taken a lot of courses, I think it would be nice to see what date you've taken it so you can kind of remember back instead of I guess having to go through each and every one of your classes to find out the specific date in which you took that course. As you can see here, this is the website that I created on Draw.io, and this would just be a mock of what I think the registration information should show with the terms in which that would be fall or spring of the year, and then the date in which it would be so much easier to find at what time you took the class. My final frustration was personal to me just because I had some errors, like I said, with the prerequisites. I had to go into the registration status to find out if my registration was overridden or not, to see if I had actually registered for the class. This was I had to siphon through and go through different processes to see if I was signed up or not. And I feel that this would be a much better area to show if it was. In conclusion, decision support systems can be used in a vast majority of different disciplines in education, medicine, business, and agriculture to help make these complex decisions that I guess the solutions just don't come easy to us. And I believe that decision support systems are kind of the future and using in these applications that I guess the optimal decision will always be made when using something like this. So thank you for watching my presentation on decision support systems, and that is it. Override or not, this just goes back to the original page in which you can see if it's registered, the type of class, the CRN. I feel if they just put it in one spot, that would be so much better.